I wish to register a complaint. Hello, miss.
What do you mean, miss?
I'm sorry, I have a cook. I wish to make a complaint.
We're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot I purchased not half an hour ago from this very good geek.
Oh, we had the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's resting.
Look, mate, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead. He's resting.
Resting?
Yes, remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue, isn't it? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, it's resting.
Well, if it's resting, I'll wake him up. Come on, Polly Parrot, come on, Polly.
There, you moved.
No, you didn't. That was you in the cage.
I did not.
Yes, you did. Come on, Polly Parrot, come on. Polly Parrot. And that's what I call a dead parrot.
No, it's stunned.
Look, my lad, I've had enough of this. This parrot is definitely deceased. You said he wasn't moving because he has just had prolonged intervals.
No, he's probably pining for the field.
Pining for the fields? What kind of dog is that? Why didn't he fall flat on his back in the moment I got home?
The Norwegian blue prefers keeping on his back. Beautiful bird, lovely plumage.
Look, mate, this parrot wouldn't fly if you would put 4 billion volts for it. It's bleeding the mice. No, it's just pining. No, it's not pining. It has passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It expired and gone to meet its maker. It's a stiff parrot of life. It rests in peace. If it weren't right here in my hand right now, it would be pushing the daisies. Its metabolic processes are now history. It's off the twig. It has kicked the bucket. It's running down the curtain and has joined the bleeding invisible coil. This is an ex-parrot.
We'd better replace it then. We're right out of parrots.
Well, I see. I've got a picture.
I got its leg.
Does it talk?
Not really, no.
Well, then it's hardly a bloody replacement, isn't it?
Listen, I'll tell you what. If you go to my brother's pet shop in Bolton, he'll replace her parrot for you.
Bolton, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Excuse me, this is Bolton, isn't it?
No, it's Ipswich.
Ipswich. Back to the train, so... excuse me, I wish to make a complaint.
I don't have to do this, you know.
I beg your pardon?
I am a qualified brain surgeon. I just did this because I like being my boss.
Excuse me, this is irrelevant, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not easy to follow people for 30 minutes.
Okay. Now I want to make a complaint. I got on the train to Bolton and found myself here in Ipswich.
No, this is Bolton.
The pet shop owner's brother was lying. I shall return to the pet shop. I understand that this is Bolton.
Yeah.
But you told me it was Ipswich.
It was a pun.
A pun?
No, not a pun. What's the other thing that reads the same as backwards as forwards?
A palindrome?
Yes.
No, this is not a palindrome. A palindrome of Bolton would be not love. It doesn't work. This is getting too silly.
Indeed. Silly. Get on!